All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, ES6, reuse JavaScript code using import. So import allows us to choose which parts of a file or module to load. In the previous lesson, the examples exported add from the mathfunctions.js file. So here's how we can import it to use in another file, all right? So we'll have the keyword import, and inside of this object, we'll have add right here. Then we'll do from, and then, the keyword from, and then we'll have a string that says /mathfunctions.js, all right? So let's go over this. Here, import will find add in mathfunctions.js. Import just that function for us to use and ignore the rest, all right? The / tells the import to look for the mathfunctions.js file in the same folder as the current file. The relative file path, I guess that's the name for /, and the file extension, so that's what the name of the .js is called, are required when using import in this way, all right? So we can import more than one item from the file by adding them in the import statement like this. So we'll do, we'll do the keyword import. We'll have add and subtract inside of this object with, with a comma separating them. Then we'll do the from keyword, and then we'll have a string that has the, what did we call that? Relative file path of mathfunctions.js, all right? So now we're going to add the appropriate import statements that will allow the current file to use uppercase string and lowercase string functions. Use the uppercase string and lowercase string functions we exported in the previous lesson. These functions are in a file called stringfunctions.js, which is in the same directory as the current file. All right. So we're pretty much going to do exactly like this. So we'll come over here and we'll say import. We'll do some curly braces and we'll have uppercase string like this, and then comma, lowercase string like that. And then we'll come over here and use the from keyword. We'll have a string. And then what do we call that? The relative file path. We'll do the relative file path of string underscore functions .js like that, all right? And let's wrap this up in parentheses. Press console.log, and you'll see it does nothing. So there's no real way to check this thing. So let's just run the test, see if it's good, it looks good, and submit it. All right, now we're on to use * to import everything from a file, and we'll see you next time.